Hey, everyone! Welcome back. Today, we're diving into a fantastic DIY recipe that not only feels luxurious but also helps brighten and nourish your skin. We're making a sugar scrub for full body whitening. Let's get started. Ingredients we need: 1 cup of organic sugar, this is our main exfoliant. Half a cup of coconut oil, it's super moisturizing and packed with nutrients. 1 tablespoon of honey, a natural humectant that keeps your skin hydrated. The juice of 1 lemon, for that brightening boost. A few drops of your favorite essential oil for a lovely scent. First, let's combine our sugar and coconut oil. The sugar will help exfoliate dead skin cells, while the coconut oil will keep our skin soft and smooth. Just mix them together until you have a nice paste. Next, add in the honey. This will not only help with hydration but also gives our scrub antibacterial properties. Now, it's time for the lemon juice. This is a natural brightener, but remember, it can make your skin sensitive to the sun, so use it wisely. And if you want a little aromatherapy boost, now's the time to add those essential oils. I love lavender or eucalyptus for a relaxing scrub. Now that our scrub is ready, it's time to pamper ourselves. Here's how to use it. Start with dry skin in the shower or bath. Take a generous amount of the scrub and gently massage it onto your skin in circular motions. Focus on areas that need a little extra love, like elbows, knees, and feet. Make sure to rinse it off with warm water and feel that silky smooth skin. You can use this scrub 1 to 2 times a week for the best results. And there you have it, a DIY sugar scrub that not only exfoliates but also helps brighten your skin. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let me know in the comments how your scrub turned out or if you have any other DIY ideas you'd like to see. Until next time, keep shining. Bye.